guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to feature the NYX Professional Makeup Off Tropic palette, and this is in, I want to say, in the color Shifting Sand. When I bought it, I didn't realize, so I was on Ulta because, you know, I get all these coupons and advertisements from Ulta, so I always browse through and I'm like, oh, what's new? And I came up on this Off Tropic palette. It goes for $19.99 on Ulta, and it says it's new. So I don't know if that just means it's new to Ulta or if it's new to NYX. I'm assuming both, but I don't want to misinform you. So anyway, here's the palette. Super pretty, super pretty. I did do live swatches, so I'm going to go ahead and insert those now. So super pretty colors. Definitely need to build the color up a little bit. I mean, as you can see with the first swipe of the swatches, some of them are kind of not as pigmented looking as they are in the pan or to like look at them. But you know, that's always a little misguiding anyway, I think, with swatches. But I was just searching it now, and it shows on NYX that there's actually another palette in, let's see, what's it called? And this one looks really pretty as well. Hold on. So then it looks like there's one in Tropical Brights, Hasta La Vista, and then there's also the Shifting Sand one. So let's see here. I don't know. Here we go. There's also that one online. So that one's super pretty, so I might get that one next. I don't know, we'll see. So this one was $19.99, like I said, and you get 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 shadows. Does it say on the back? Oh, it does not. I was gonna say, see if it says the size of each pan. It doesn't. It doesn't even say. Oh, wait a minute. 10 time net weight 0.03 ounces, 1.1 gram. So they're 1.1 gram or 0.03 of an ounce for each pan. So you figure almost $2. So if there's 10 of these and it was like 20 bucks, it's almost $2 per pan. You know, I'm sure there's other larger palettes that will give you more for your money. You're just gonna have to decide that. You know, could you use this every day? Yeah, there's some nice neutral tones in there. You could do whatever you want. I just wanted it because I wanted to try some nice vibrant colors. Like I said, it's been freaking cold as I don't know what, and I'm kind of missing Florida, so I was like, sure, let's go to the tropics and let's do something fun and bright and whatever. So anyway, let's get to it. So if you want to see how I did this look and see how the palette does, then just keep watching. Okay, so I've already done my face. I did all my skincare, put on foundation, concealer, set all of that, and did my brows. So I think what I want to do is I'm going to go in, and there's no colors. It just says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It just has numbers on the back for the colors. So I'm just going to go in with like this yellowish mustardy color right here. And I'm going to use my Morphe E27 fluffy brush per usual. And I'm going to put that all over the eye as a transition shade. I think it's blending out pretty well. So just a note, I am using just natural light, like I don't have any other lights on. On camera, it does look like a deeper color than it does in person looking in my mirror. It doesn't look like a super dark color, so, but in my monitor it does. It looks like a deeper, like it has a deeper hue to it. Just leave it like that. Then what I'm gonna do is, next I'm gonna go in with this color right here. And I'm just gonna use this, wait a minute, yeah, this Morphe tapered brush. Pick up that color. And I'm gonna put that in the crease, and I'm not gonna be super precise about it. And I'm gonna focus on pushing up a little bit to get the majority of that color above the crease. I'm gonna go back. Ooh, I'm gonna go back in with that first brush and just dust over that, just to diffuse any harsh lines. There's no extra product on here. Next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this orange shimmer color and I'm gonna put that all over the lid. And I'm going to use this Urban Decay shadow brush. It's just a flat brush. I'm really hoping this goes on nice and has a good color payoff. Kind of want to use that green. I don't know, I think that's going to take a little bit of work. Let's see. Okay, so it seems like it's going to be buildable. So that's all I'm going to do, is I'm just going to keep applying it. I'm not going to wet it yet, so let's see what happens. Okay, so that definitely is a very buildable product, and you can see how vibrant it is now. Like earlier I was like, oh, okay, it wasn't as pigmented, but it definitely is now. So super pretty. I feel like I need to be in the tropics. Next I'm gonna go, I think I'm gonna try. I don't know what's gonna happen with this. So let's just bear with me and let's see what happens. I'm gonna take this smaller tapered brush. It almost looks like a pencil brush, but it's not as dense or as stiff as a pencil brush would be. So I'm gonna go in with this darker orangey color, and I'm gonna focus that on the outer corner portion, but I'm not sure. I don't know. Let's see what happens. It definitely has a good color payoff. If you guys can see, like I can see more of a difference with this. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Luxie 121 mini tapered. I don't really see where it's tapered, but this mini tapered brush. I'm just going to lightly blend over that color so it doesn't look so harsh. Like so. I don't know, I'm gonna leave that like that for now. I kind of want to go in with a darker brown on that outer corner, but that's always my tendency to go to like a deep dark brown just to add there. And I kind of want to do a little bit different, a little bit outside my normal, what I normally do. So I think I'm gonna go back in with this yellow color, this yellow mustardy color, and I'm going to use, yeah, it's a little too dense. I'm going to use this Morphe E17 brush. It's just a fluffy brush. So I'm going to go in and dust that under the eye. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this BH Cosmetics number 11 flat definer brush. So I want to use this color because it's pretty, but I'm like, ooh, do something different because I typically go towards golds and things like that. So I'm going to go in with this green, I think. Let me see. Yeah, I'm just going to go for it. So I'm going to dip into that green. And I'm going to stamp that underneath the lower lash line and let's see what happens. And I'm actually going to go all the way across. And usually when doing my makeup, like I have a smaller mirror here so I can see because I'm getting up in, you know, close to my eye. But I also have a mirror that's farther away so I can look at myself to see how things are going. It's a pretty color. Let's see. We want to take, I'm going to take this mini flat angled brush by Luxie. It is the 111. I love these brushes. And I'm gonna go into that same green color. I'm just gonna blend that out. There it went. I wanna put something on the inner corner. You know what, screw it, let's do it. I'm gonna put this gold color on the inner corner. I'm just going for it, and I'm gonna use this Luxie 141 mini round brush. So it's very subtle. Not a whole lot of fallout or anything to be super concerned about. A little bit right there, but no big deal. Just pat on some loose powder there and just brush away, but I like it. It's definitely something a little more vibrant than what I normally do. Let's see. I'm still debating on whether to go in with a brown on that outer corner. Clean that up a bit. Just to deepen. But I'm not gonna do it. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera. I'm gonna do my lashes, finish up my face, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so that is the finished look. I just went ahead and applied lashes, and I used the Pure Pro eyelashes in Socialite. And then I used the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. I really like it so far, so I got a little trial size to try that. I used the MAC in Extreme Dimension Lash on the lower lash line, and then I used the combination of these two, the Hoola Benefit Bronzer and the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula for my contouring and bronzing. And then I used the Anastasia Amrezy highlights. I think that's it. Yeah, so I really like it. I do. I like the nice, vibrant colors. It definitely makes me feel like I'm in the tropics or need to go. I think because it's so damn cold outside. It was like 22 degrees this morning. It was frigid. I like it. There was minimal fallout. This color at first, I was like, there's not a lot of color payoff to it. But then as I kept building it up, you can see like there's color payoff. And I did not wet the brush. I ended up not wetting the brush to put that on. So that's just applying that color. It's hard to see, I guess, from here, but looking at my makeup like up close, like I can definitely see the green, and I really like that. And I actually liked putting this on the inner corner to add that subtle hint of that gold tone, because I did use this mustardy color as a transition shade and like even underneath the eye. So I really like it. I'm pleased with it. Like I said, not a lot of fallout. I definitely am going to play with this a little bit more. So I hope if you guys are trying to decide whether to get this palette or not, that this video helped you. So as always, thanks for stopping by, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the day or evening or whenever you're watching this. Bye.